To begin with, I'm going to prime and moisturize using the Embryolisse. This is the Lait Cream Concentrate. This is great for hydration. As you can see, I put way too much on, so I'm just going to put it on the rest of my body as well. I do still have a little bit of residual mascara on from today, just so you know, in case you're wondering. This is the Sunescape, and it's a body tint, so it just adds that little bit of glow. Going out tonight, and I thought I just wanted to make sure my arms have got a little bit of glow. Easy to actually put this on with your hands. I will possibly even this up a little bit more off camera. And also, it would be easier to put this on before you put your clothes on. However, as you can see, it's fairly easy. I'm using the Golden Tan Liquid Foundation from Youngblood. This is one of my sort of favorite go-tos. It offers a really natural coverage. It's pretty much a medium coverage. I just want to look very fresh going out tonight, not overdone. We are just going to dinner in our local town. So just buffing this foundation in with the Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm putting it all over my eyes as well, and just all over my cheeks and down my neck. So really just working that in, sort of using it more like a sheer tinted moisturizer than anything else. This is the Warm. This is one of their golden tints. This is in, not Warm, it's in Golden Sun. Now, I should have given it a little bit of a shake because it does look a little more orange than usual. It is usually a little bit darker. But this will just warm up my face because I have got that tint on the body. Now, this is the Visart. This is called the Petite Mattes. It's in Cool. I'm using a really light, like mushroom shade. Not actually sure what shade it is called. It's a light shade in this palette. It's probably the second lightest. And it's a really nice base color. And as you can see, I'm just carving out the crease, creating a little bit of shape, and I'm placing it all over that mobile lid as well, and just really enhancing the eyes. I wanted to keep this really elegant and soft. I'm using the next shade up in the sort of browns in this Cool palette. So these are cool browns as opposed to the warm. I really thought these would look really good and suit my outfit. I love these sort of taupe mushroom shades. Just really nice. So again, this color I'm just placing right in that outer corner and using a more detailed brush to place it, and then a fluffy brush, blending brush, to blend that out. So just blending it up and out, running a small amount under the eyes as well to really create some lift to make them look a little bit bigger. This is the darkest chocolate in the palette. So again, another cool brown, but a very dark cool brown. And I'm using this just like an eyeliner. So as opposed to putting some eyeliner on the top lash line here, I'm just using a darker eyeshadow. This is a really great trick. It's so much easier than using eyeliner, and you can't really go wrong. Placing a little bit more in the outer corner as well, just to make sure that it lifts those hooded eyes there. So just right on that bone, and I'm just blending that up and out. Now I'm going to go in with the Rumi Cosmetics eyeliner. This one I'm placing on the tight line. I'd like to put a little bit of weight just up on that tight line and just really smudge that out. Same again, adding some more of the Rumi Cosmetics mascara just over the mascara that I was using before. And I'm really just sort of sweeping it through the lashes and blinking down so it coats every lash. And then just a small amount on my bottom lashes. I don't like to overdo those. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm actually really enjoying using this brow pencil in taupe. And I'm just doing the outer, colouring in the outer bit of my brows there. I feel otherwise it's going to just get a little bit too dark. As I said, it's just a really nice dinner out tonight with the girls. Using the same liquid foundation, I'm using this as a little bit of a concealer and just placing it up under my eyes to really just clean up under there and give myself just a little bit more coverage. So again, keeping it really natural. I want the skin to look like skin. So by using the same foundation up under the eyes and just adding a little bit more and just building up that coverage just really helps. Just pressing that in. And I'm going to place it around the nose area as well. Anywhere where I feel I need that little bit of extra coverage. And my cheeks, of course, because they are so rosy. So just covering them as well. This is the Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk blush. It is so pretty, and I'm just placing that over the tops, the high points of my cheeks. I'm using this one as a dupe for MAC. So it's the dupe for MAC's Velvet Teddy. And I'm placing some of that blush up into the brow bone as well. This is the Holme Beauty setting powder. It's called Empower, and there's two shades. So the lightest shade I'm just placing through the middle of my face and just getting off any of that excess oil and then carving out my cheekbones. Now this is going to show you how I'm doing my hair. I will let this dry a little bit and then come back and show you the final results. So here we go. Now this is the outfit. It's a cute little jumpsuit that I picked up and I really like it. And there's the final look.